The pages that were created for us are our home page, our menu page, order, and about. To change these pages, you can go to the left-hand side and click on Pages. And from here, you can manage all of your pages. If you want to open up their options, go to the right-hand side and click on these three dots. And since this is our home page, we have a limited amount of settings we can choose from. But if I open up the menu page, for example, if I wanted to, I could make this my home page, I could hide it from navigation, and I can even delete the page entirely. You can also reorder these pages in your main menu. So if I wanted the order page to appear before the menu page, I could go to the left-hand side here and drag it and move it above the menu page. And then in the top right, you'll see that change reflect. And you can also add a new page. To do that, go to the bottom left and click on Add Page. And this looks very similar to adding a new section. You have all the same options here. You can generate a page from AI, create a new empty page, and you have all the different templates available here. So whether you're reordering, deleting, or adding new pages, you have full control over how your site's navigation is organized.